Greetings friends, thanks for viewing this very short video on a very important subject. A very important subject for anybody, particularly for those who are in business. The business of business is to make money. And to make money, you will have to collect money. You will have to collect money in time, in full. Now that is the idea. And let us see a few steps. The first step is the thrill of collection. We enjoy sales, we enjoy selling, but do we enjoy collecting? Do we get a thrill out of it? The moment we consciously get a thrill out of it, we are in business. Therefore, step number one is to understand and exercise the thrill of collection. And if you want to have the thrill of collection, the first step is the bill. And the bill is something with which you start, because you bill and the other person pays you. And therefore, it is very, very important that we bill in time. Many organizations lose time and lose money by not developing an urgency for bill. And for this, it requires, you will have to remember that the frills are there in respect of the bill. Have we done this? Have we done this? Have we done the other one? Therefore, all the frills will have to be taken care of. Once the frills are taken care of, the bill is complete, the bill goes in time. Once the bill goes in time, it doesn't mean the money will come. The money will not come unless we have got the will. Unless we have got the will to collect. Collection does not happen. Collection has to be made to happen. And if it's made to happen, it becomes necessary to follow up in time, and follow up in time to get the money in our money in our hands in good time. That is what is important. If you do all these things, it becomes necessary to develop a sort of a celebration. And therefore, you thrill, bill, frill, will. Again, if we may use the word, the thrill of celebration. If you do these things, if you do this consistently and systematically, we will find that collection becomes easier, smoother, and surer. And that is what is important. Therefore, what we have seen is that though it looks simple, it takes a lot of attention, a lot of care, a lot of effort, but more than anything else, all these things are done in a spirit of joy, in a spirit of thrill, then the whole process becomes welcome. What we have seen in the past few minutes is to see the key points in a very important function of management, and it is collection. And collection, by meaning collection, we mean our money in our pocket in agreed time. I hope it will be possible for all of us to do this more often, more surely. Thank you for your attention.